right, thank you, everybody. All right, so Eric says, what do you see happening to reserve rights, RSR, price prediction, risky or not, since it's a DeFi play? All right, that is a good question. Let's take a look. Okay, that one we do have. Okay, this is not looking so good. Okay, so looking at this here, on the so for trader on the daily, score is not so good. Weekly is better. If we go to the monthly, not so good. Quarterly, not so good. So now if we go to the price prediction, let's take a look and see where the predicted trend is going over the next 30 days. Okay, all right. Yeah, so apologies. Here there is an issue we're investigating. Looks like it didn't get the price for this date. This should be updated soon. But this, how much data do we have for this? Okay, yeah. So, but in general, one small hiccup should not really affect the actual price prediction because it looks at all the historical pricing, and this would just basically be one outlier. But in general, it has reserve not really doing much, just basically going sideways. But we'll go through and update this and fix that issue. Bill?
Okay, coming up here. Okay, so this was in our newsletter. Okay, reserve 12-hour chart. This is pretty classic, you know, up crash with this rounding bottom. Okay, so December 6th, we're talking reserve rights. You know, the handle part of this formation over here, you know, is usually pretty annoying. Pretty annoying in just terms of choppy, it goes down, people can't set trades, it doesn't look like it's going to moon. But then the nature of this formation is that, you know, if it's, you know, if I drew it correctly and if it applies, then one day, you know, you can just look at your screen and reserve can just be gapping higher, right? So, you know, like, I think this teacup and handle is so interesting that this could go and take out the high at 5 cents, right? In other words, if this is what somebody who I respect in this business thinks it is, then this is one of these DeFi related altcoins that have been just sort of destroyed and left for dead, right? So I think when it comes to reserve, you know, you might want to have this on like a watch list, or people are always calling in saying, hey, what's the next 10X? What's the next 100X? I don't know. You know, this could be one of those coins that, you know, a year from now, you're like, wow, I could have bought it less than 2 cents.
All right, thank you, Bill. So let us know what you think about reserve rights. Are you bullish on it? Are you bearish? Let us know. Share with all the crypto family, and be sure to go to tokenmetrics.com to stay up to date on the price prediction.